We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you.
Henry explained the process concisely and talked me through the process. I'm very happy with the end result, and I would recommend QLM Business Solutions.
So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.